I am concerned about the type of hand washing machines that I find in malls, hospitals and shops. They can easily spread COVID-19 due to contact with the taps knobs.
Really, I think you have a point. Why don't we search online for non-contact automatic machines?
Yeah, I did just that.
Wait a minute. I read in the news yesterday about an indigenous Nigerian company that manufactures automatic non-contact hand washing machines.
Really? What's the company's name?
SIEL Integrated Electrics Limited SIEL. You may call them on 0903022933.
Wow! Thank you very much. I am going to give them a call right away.
Okay, so the machine is sensitive to humans. In the night, when it sees human beings in the night, it turns on automatically. The light turns on automatically. Then you just come, you stretch your hand towards the sensor, and automatically soap comes. After a few seconds, water starts running. You wash your hands. After which, water turns off after some preset time, and you go. This is an hygienic way of washing our hands to reduce or minimize the spread of COVID-19. Thank you.